Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this opportunity, I will explain about the engine room watchkeeping for my final exam. In this content, it will be explained what is engine room watchkeeping, the purpose of engine room watchkeeping, and the duty of engine watchkeeping. And before I am start my explanation, I will introduce myself. My name is Salas Abdullah Rozizkin, class of Technical 8 Bravo. Then let's start the explanation. What is engine room watchkeeping? Engine room watchkeeping is a task or responsibility that must be carried out during the watch with the aim of maintaining the safety of the engine when the ship in operation. On duty carried out for 4 hours. Every on duty consists of machinist, oiler, and cadet. The purpose of engine room watchkeeping is for smooth operation of the ship, engine operation, prevent or reduce pollution, then preventing fire or damage and safety of life. Talking about watchkeeping, there are four meaning. First, sea watchkeeping. Second, port watchkeeping. Third, emergency watchkeeping. Fourth, special watchkeeping. First, sea watchkeeping. Sea watchkeeping is duty of care machinery implemented to keep the machinery good condition and for safety while operation. When the vessel sailing, engine duty can be implemented for hour intermittently because to be keep healthy and stay focused for the crew. So after the duty for hour can be risk enrolling or change to another crew. Every crew in engine have two period of duty in 24 hours. Second, port watchkeeping. Port watchkeeping is duty of care machinery implemented to keep the machinery in good condition when the vessel in port or anchored. The purpose for safety of machine operation, maintaining time loading or unloading. With this duty, the crews can be organized, scheduled who want to go shore. Third, emergency watchkeeping. Emergency watchkeeping is duty of care machinery implemented when the vessel have emergency situation, for example, vessel grounding, repair of engine, and rescue another vessel. And fourth, special watchkeeping. Special watchkeeping is duty of care machinery when vessel docking, because when docking time have a lot of people on board in another side crew must be keep the thing in vessel in good condition also. So some engineer or crew the vessel have special duty to watching repairing in docking. Procedure handover of engine watchkeeping. First, the replacement team must be in the engine room 50 minutes before handover. Second, conducting simulation observation with the guard team to be replaced regarding the last machine condition. Third, in the handover, parameters and value are observed and written in the logbook. Then, machinery condition recorded in the engine logbook during standby. First, temperature of exhaust gas, lubricating oil, cooling water, fuel, and other. Second, pressure of lubricating oil, fuel, coolant, and others. Third, used fuel and lubricating oil. Fourth, air conditioner, etc. Fifth, winding, main engine, alternator. Six, replacement of spare part and sewerage. The matters to be considered and carried out at the time of handover of the transfer of engine watchkeeping duty. First, control all planet that works regarding normal temperature, sound, abnormalities, and others. Second, lubricate the moving part of the aircraft or engine. Third, set the temperature of the fuel, coolant, and lubricating oil that enters the main engine, which still use a manual system. Fourth, pay attention to level of oil tank. If it's less so, that is immediately transferred or filled. And the last, pay attention to general state of the engine room. And these above are generally quality duty on board, but some another companies sometimes have different regulation to implementation of duty, depend of condition of the vessel. And from my explanation, I can give the summary. For the first is engine room watchkeeping is a duty of guarding the engine room, keep machinery running normally. Second, the duty of engine room watchkeeping must be carried out with discipline. When carried out, the duty must record important that occur while carrying of the duty. So that is my explanation about engine room watchkeeping. I'm sorry if any mistake in language and speech. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.